I'm Bob Miller, Color Services Manager at IT Supplies. Today, I'm excited to talk to you about something a lot of print shops have been waiting for. It's the Epson SD-10 Spectrophotometer. As of December 2025, this product is now officially supported in ONYX version 25 and Fiery Digital Factory version 12. That means if you're running ONYX or Fiery Digital Factory and you already have an Epson printer connected, you can finally use the SD-10 for color measurement verification, spot color matching, and even profiling with the optional chart reader. So let's start with the big question. When is the SD-10 the best choice? The SD-10 shines when you want fast, standalone spot color measurements, portable, on-the-go color checks and reference libraries, a Bluetooth-enabled workflow that can connect to your cell phone, and finally, affordable accuracy. If you're constantly checking color on posters, stickers, proofing sheets, or if you just want something lightweight that is always with you, the SD-10 is honestly perfect. And now that the device is supported by ONYX and Digital Factory, you can integrate it directly into your RIP workflow without any crazy setup. Although please note that ONYX intends to support the SD-10 chart reader, this device right here, in Q1 of 2026. At that point, you will have profiling available in ONYX. Now, let's talk about how the SD-10 compares to other color devices, because each tool solves different color challenges. The i1 Pro 3 is the classic go-to device for most print shops. It's really similar to the SD-10 in terms of purpose. It's about being versatile, reliable, and accurate. But here's the key difference. The i1 Pro 3 has a smaller aperture. That means it's great for smooth surfaces, coated papers, banners, anything where the texture is minimal. But if you put it on heavy textile or textured material, the readings will get inconsistent. The i1 Pro 3 Plus solves that problem. It has a larger aperture, which helps average out the peaks and valleys on more textured substrates. So if you're printing on canvas, light fabrics, backlit films, the i1 Pro 3 Plus is usually the better match. It captures more light and reads through translucent materials with more reliability. That said, you will need to buy an adjustable light table for any transmissive readings. Finally, you have the Barbieri, the Cadillac of color measurement. If you're printing on high-end textiles, fine art papers, doing dye sublimation, or anything where you absolutely need the tightest color tolerances, Barbieri is in a league of its own. It's built for the shops that demand the most precise, repeatable color possible, and it's priced accordingly. The SD-10 sits in the sweet spot between portability, affordability, and real-world accuracy. And with its new ONYX and Fiery Digital Factory support, it becomes a powerful everyday color tool, perfect for verifying colors, checking spot brand matches, or profiling your everyday production materials. So whether you're just getting started with color management or you're building out a full color control ecosystem, the SD-10 now being supported in ONYX and Fiery Digital Factory gives you another great option in your toolbox. If you want help choosing the right device for your shop, feel free to reach out to our color services team here at IT Supplies. We're always happy to help you dial in your color.